Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm back with another video as promised in my previous video. So in my previous video I had installed these new Powerage exhausts. Okay. So since I had just installed that, I was not able to go out and record a video of how it sounds on the roads. So I'm going out now and I will shoot that video, but before that I have this to show. I just received this. This is an air filter plate which was delivered to me today itself through Amazon. So this is around 500. This costed around 500 rupees to me. It's solid metal. As you can see, it's powder coated metal. That's the thickness. The K&N filter inside this. Now I'm gonna fix this one over here. And then I'll go out for a ride and let you guys know how the new exhaust sounds on the road. I'm very excited. So I'm done with the installation. It was a perfect fit. Now let's see how it sounds. Strange. This is the stock air filter cover. I'm not sure why the RPM is so unstable. We'll wait for the bike to heat up and see if everything is fine. So I turned off the bike and switched it on again. Now the RPM seems normal, as you can see. So it's better than last time. This is how it sounds for now. So I'm gonna use a helmet cam and show you how it sounds when I'm on the road. So I'm not sure why the bike is getting powered off. The engine was shutting down, RPM going back to 0. So I just refueled. I don't think that should be an issue because my bike already had 2 to 3 bars worth of fuel, but I don't know, it just fixed the issue. So I think I'll ride around 5 kilometers under 3000 RPM and then take it above that. Anyways, the roads are gonna be busy for next 3 kilometers, so I'll just try to ride sedately. So one major difference that I'm feeling right now after definitely, this is definitely not because of this because of the exhaust. This is because of the air filter. So you know, as soon as I leave the clutch, engine braking is not as high as it was before with the stock air filters. So definitely it's smoother. So when you leave your clutch, you don't get the jerk. Although this bike has a slipper clutch, but still you could experience a decent amount of jerk. But as you can see, I'm on second gear. I'm just leaving the clutch and the bike is still able to go smoothly, run smoothly. So that is a good thing. See? So guys, that was it for today. I hope you like this video. Do comment if you would like to see any other kind of videos. I'll try to post them. For now I can say that I'm enjoying riding my bike with these exhausts. They give so much character to the bike and riding without being obnoxiously loud. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.